नमस्कार। भारतीय संस्कृति की परंपरा से परिपूर्ण नृत्य ओडिसी 2020 में मैं प्रीति राजगढ़िया मार्गम नृत्यालय की ओर से आप सभी का अभिनंदन करती हूँ। भारतीय संस्कृति में नृत्य साधना का अति विशिष्ट महत्व है। नृत्य हमारी चेतना को विकसित कर उसे परमात्मा से जोड़ता है। नृत्य साधना से हमारा आवरण शुद्ध और प्रसन्न होता है, जिससे हमारा व्यक्तित्व निखरता है, आत्मविश्वास में बढ़ोतरी होती है और कार्यों को अच्छे ढंग से करने की कुशलता आती है। नृत्य केवल एक कलाकार की भावनाओं की प्रस्तुति या संगीत पर थिरकते हाथ पैर नहीं होते, बल्कि यह एक साधना है, एक तपस्या है। नृत्य ओडिसी सभी प्रतिभाशाली युवा कलाकारों को प्रोत्साहित करने और उन्हें इस मार्ग पर अग्रसर रखने का एक माध्यम है। नृत्य ओडिसी was scheduled for April, but because of COVID lockdown, we had to postpone it. I am highly thankful to all the participants whose cooperation helped us organize this event online. Gurur Brahma, Gurur Vishnu, Gurur Deva Maheshwara, Guru Sakshat Parabrahma, Tasmai Shri Guruve Namah. Guru is above all, because a guru guides us to the path of knowledge and destroys the weeds of ignorance. I feel blessed to have Guru Shamishta Malik, daughter of late Guru Dr. Sujata Dinesh and director of Creative Rhythm, the parent institute of Margam Nrityalaya. I would request ma'am to bless the participants.
Namaskar. It's good to see that you all have utilized your time for your passion and you have chosen a very right platform, Margam Nrityalaya. I congratulate the organizers and I feel you all are practicing. Sadhana is a very good thing that you all are doing. I can see. So good luck all of you. God bless you and meet you soon.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Now, I want to express my gratitude to our chief guest, Shri Sanjay Bhasin ji, the director of Haryana Kala Parishad, Government of Haryana. He has been associated with theatre and arts since his early years. He has done tremendous work in promoting and preserving art and culture. Through Nishtha Sanskriti Manch, he has been organizing All India Dance and Drama Festival since many years, giving opportunity to everyone to cherish the diverse cultures of various states. We are honored to have Shri Sanjay Bhasin ji as the chief guest for a dance competition, Nritya Odyssey 2020. The tremendous response that we have received for the event is mind-blowing. We are lucky that we have got some renowned gurus and experts with us who will help us with the most difficult task, that is, selecting the winners. There will be 3 different judges for the 3 categories. The judgment criteria has already been shared with all the participants in the guidelines. The registration for the competition closes on 20th August and the last date to submit the video is 10th September. The registration forms can be found in the description below. Please abide by all the rules mentioned in the guidelines to avoid disqualification. We will start uploading the videos here from tomorrow. Audience response on the videos will also add to your results, so the sooner you send your entries, the better it will be. Thank you very much everyone and best wishes to all the participants. Give your best performance. We will meet again on 27th September with the most awaited part of this competition, that is the result announcement. Till then, take care and stay safe.